An urgent appeal this evening from mental health professionals. They warn that the nation's children are being targeted and traumatized by traffickers, oftentimes through their own digital devices. Sandy Williams has that story.
They hide behind screens, disguised as children, lurking in online games and chat rooms. Investigators say traffickers are infiltrating digital spaces, grooming young victims and coercing them into sharing explicit content that is then sold for profit. One chilling case recently involved a grade 5 boy. A school principal became alarmed after the child was caught showing inappropriate material to classmates. When authorities examined his tablet, what they found was deeply disturbing.
On this tablet were some images and videos, sexual images and videos of men. This is a little boy. And then the next thing we saw, him creating videos of himself, emulated the videos that were sent to him. You want to hear the sad part? Yeah. This little boy lives with grandma. Grandma does not know how to navigate a tablet or know how to put on any form of security on there.
Jamaica remains a Tier 2 country in the latest U.S. Trafficking in Persons report, an indication that while efforts are being made, the fight is far from over. But beyond the statistics lies the lasting damage. Experts warn that the trauma inflicted on these children can alter the course of their entire lives.
The human brain is not fully developed until age 25. And the body was not created for complex trauma. When it comes to human trafficking, especially sexual traumas in children, we're looking at eventually pathologies like post-traumatic stress disorders. We're looking at severe anxiety disorders. We're looking at depression. Things can even lead into schizophrenia.
And in many cases, the perpetrator is not a stranger. It is someone the child knows and trusts. Licensed associate psychologist Dawn Marie Petgrave Smith explains that betrayal leaves deep psychological scars.
The confusion, the person that I trust is actually doing this thing to me, all right? So now all the chemical imbalances that is taking place, not just in their emotional development, but let's think about their intellectual development that is also impacting their physical development sometimes.
Mental health professionals are now sounding the alarm, calling human trafficking a public health emergency.
At every level of education, we have to raise our voices. Clergy, in the churches, in community centers, we have to raise our voices more on child trafficking. It is way more prevalent in Jamaica than we think it is.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.